Hello and welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Today I've got a black VE Commodore SV6 sedan 3.6 Auto LLT engine. We're tapping the front, let's get the bonnet up. We're running there now. Modified front there. Got a left hand front door, ding in the back door there. Black SV6 trim. Airbags haven't gone off. Here's how come I'll get that the right way for you. 80909. Got some wheels for marks on them. Tap in the rear also. Looks like the right hand doors, right hand mudguard and headlight are okay. There's 140,000 kilometres on the clock, I think it was. Let's get this one in here. 145,259 kilometres on a 3.6 Llt. There it is. One VE Commodore being dismounted at Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Contact us on that phone number there, 0246461733, and the Parts Plus team will look after you. Up, mudguard's got a dent. Alright, let's put us to bed. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.